There is heaven, there is earth, there's a lot to be thankful for, like good times, bad times, making up for lost time. If I could stay young and keep rolling them sevens, trading my tomorrows for one more day of living up in high times, late nights, staring into starry eyes, high heels, big deals, rock me like a wagon wheel, show me a sign, and I'll be yours forever. If I gotta die, Lord help me remember. He was on time, Lord. Every penny, every breath I took. Gotta take off those white gloves. You got your reasons, I got no dumb luck. It was on time, Lord. Every blessing that came from above. Gotta give all the glory. You know my story. It was on time, Lord. I should make time, jail time, belly full of humble pie and dog. Don't brag, don't yell, I've been cheated on. I am known the fruits of a firm, feeling woman. She stole all my youth, but never stopped me gunning for the monkey. I slinging gospel country, dance hall, cow call, do most anything for y'all. You show me a sign, and I'll be yours forever. If I'm gonna fly, Lord help me remember. It was all done, love. Every penny, every breath I took. Gotta take off those white gloves. You got your reasons, I got my dumb love. It was all done, love. Every blessing that came from above. Gotta give all the glory. You know my story. It was all done, love. It was all done, love. Every penny, every breath I took. Gotta take off those white gloves. You got your reasons, I got my dumb love. It was all done, love. Every blessing that came from above. Gotta give all the glory. You know my story. It was all done, love. It was all done, love. You got your reasons. I got my dumb luck.
Let's learn Dumb Luck. It's choreographed by Darren Bailey. It is a 64 count, 2-wall, intermediate level line dance with a tag on the end of wall 2. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about what the tag is, and then go around and dance 3 walls of the dance so that you know how it all flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Dumb Luck. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to rock our right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, slightly angling your hips to the left. We're now going to weave with a sweep. We're going to cross our right over our left, step our left foot to the side, cross your right foot behind your left, and sweep your left from front to back. We're now going to cross our left behind our right, and you're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 3 o'clock. Let's try that with some counts. Rocking your right foot to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to cross rock our left over our right, recover back onto your right foot, rock your left foot to the left side, recover onto your right foot. You're now going to cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the side, cross your left foot over your right, and you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 12 o'clock. Let's try that with some counts. We're doing our cross rock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do a quarter turn over our left shoulder, doing a nightclub basic to the left. So you're gonna step the left foot to the left side, doing a big step, drag your right foot in into your left foot, taking weight onto your right foot, and cross your left over your right. We're now gonna do that to the right, big step to the right, drag your left foot in and next to your right, taking weight onto your left foot, and cross your right over your left. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just stepped back with our right. You're making that quarter turn and doing your nightclub basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, we're gonna rock our left foot to the left side, recover onto your right and cross your left over your right. You're now gonna make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 6 o'clock, and you're gonna make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left and sweeping your right from back to front. You're now gonna cross your right over your left and step your left foot to the left side, and you'll end that section facing 12 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just finished our nightclub. Our right is crossed over our left. You're going to rock to the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 5, we're gonna rock our right foot back behind our left, recover onto our left foot. We're gonna rock our right foot to the right side, recover onto your left foot. You're now gonna cross your right over your left, and you're gonna hit your left knee up and around, crossing your left over your right, and then stepping your right foot to the right side. Let's try that with some counts. We would have just stepped to the side. You're rocking back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 6. We're going to take our left foot. We're going to step it back behind our right foot, and you're going to hook your right foot up to your left shin. You're now going to step down onto your right foot. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 3 o'clock. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the side to face 6 o'clock, and we're going to hold. You're now going to cross your left over your right. We're going to quickly step our right foot to the right side, making an eighth of a turn over our left shoulder, and then stepping our left foot next to our right to face 4:30. Let's try that with some counts. Weight is on that right foot. We're stepping back and hooking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, and 8. Section 7, we're going to step forward into the 4:30 diagonal with our right, and we're going to hold. And as you hold, you can drag that left toe slightly into your right. You're now going to step your left foot forward into the 4:30 diagonal, and you're going to make an eighth of a turn over your left shoulder as you sweep your right foot from back to front. We're now going to do a crossing shuffle. We're going to cross our right over our left, step your left foot to the side, cross your right over your left. And then we're going to sweep our left foot from back to front. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just stepped and together for 7 and 8. You're going to step and drag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 8, and our final section of the dance. We're going to weave with a sweep. We're going to cross our left over our right, step your right foot to the side, cross your left foot behind your right, and sweep your right from front to back. You're now going to cross your right behind your left, make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot. You're now going to step forward with your right and do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 6 o'clock, and that is the end of the dance. So let's try that last part with some counts. We would have just swept our left foot from back to front. You're going to weave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's turn and face the front. We're going to do a 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're going to start by rocking our right foot to the side. Side to rock, recover, cross, side, behind, sweep, behind, quarter, cross, rock, side, rock, behind, side, cross, quarter, back, quarter, side, nightclub, together, cross, nightclub, together, cross, side, rock, cross, quarter, back, half, sweep, cross, side, back, rock, cross, hitch, cross, side, back, hook, step, quarter, quarter, hold, cross in together into the diagonal, step, drag, step, 1/8 sweep, cross and cross, sweep, weave, cross, side behind sweep, behind, quarter, step, half. And then you're ready to do the next wall. So let's try that through with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're rocking your right foot to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the tag. The tag is going to happen on the end of wall 2. So you'll dance the full 64 counts of the back wall. When you come to the front after that half pivot, we have a short 8 count tag. All we're going to do is step our right foot forward, and we're going to put both hands palms facing out at hip height. Now over the next few counts, we're going to push our hands out. So counts 3 through 7, you're going to slowly push your hands away from your body and out until they're fully straightened. And then on count 8, you're going to step your left foot slightly forward, and then you're ready to start the dance all over again. So let's try that with some counts. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On that 8, you can drop your hands, then you will start the dance all over again. So now let's go all the way around. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, we're going to do counts. We're going to do 3 walls of the dance so that you can practice that tag, and then you can hopefully practice with the demo or the tutorial until you're able to dance it on a dance floor near you. So weight starting on your left foot. We're rocking that right foot to the side. Side rock, cross, side behind sweep, behind quarter, cross, rock, side rock, behind side, cross, quarter, back, quarter, side, nightclub. Together, cross side, together, cross side, rock, recover, cross, quarter, back, half step sweep, cross side, rock, back, rock, side, cross, hitch, cross, side, back, hook, step, quarter, back, quarter, side, hold, cross, and together, step, drag, step 1A sweep, crossing, shuffle with a sweep, weave, cross, side, behind, sweep, behind, quarter, step, half rock, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do your tag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side rock, cross, side behind sweep, behind quarter, cross, rock, side rock, behind side, cross, quarter, back, quarter, side, nightclub. Together, cross, side, nightclub. Together, cross, side, rock, cross, quarter, back, half step sweep, cross, side, rock, back, recover, rock, side, recover, cross, hitch, cross, side, rock, back, hitch, forward, quarter, quarter, hold, cross, and together into the diagonal, step, drag, 1/8 sweep, crossing, shuffle with a sweep, weave with a sweep, behind, quarter, step, half, and then you would dance the rest of the dance all the way through without any worries. I hope this helps you learn dumb luck. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.